Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to part 2 of fixing this coffee machine. In the previous video you saw that this was AKO and I was thinking if we have, can we get a new line, high pressure line or no? Sure we can. So now what I'm gonna do is unbolt this so we can lift it up a bit so we can reach this screw right there, because it's hard to reach. See, small screwdriver, stubby one. That ain't gonna fit, so I'm gonna undo these four. We're gonna lift it up and unscrew it. Number 5. Lucky number 5. Ew. Ew. That's disgusting. Holy mackerel. That's bad. There's an O-ring. Yeah, now we can get to this bottle and I'm happy I did it. We can clean all of this up, look. I don't know what this is, but I don't think that's meant to be in there. Jesus. Phew, that's bad. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll take you back once this is clean. No wonder why it clogged. This is clogged. Phew.
Body and your mind.
Hey, I did it. Yay. Now let's get the new one. See, new one. And old one. Yep. Done. If this wouldn't be snapped, it would be perfect. Let me clean this all up and then let's test this. Well, I threw a zip tie around. This heats up, so this will melt. So I will be ready to pull it away. We have some water to test it. So now we're gonna listen and look for drips. And this is loose. This is still loose. So if this drips and this doesn't drip, we have fixed stuff. So we did fix this. So it was only the hose. Scary sounds. From there it's coming. Scary sounds when you took things apart. You don't know what's going on. It's scary. I need to fix that. This one isn't tight. No, it's tight. It's ready. See, it shows it's ready. Pulling water, it's pulling that. Okay, let's go for a... Okay, we're getting water. Well, yeah, it's not... That's it. The leak is fixed. It's not leaking here anymore. It's only this that the bolt is broken. Now I need to find a way how to hold this in. Because see, it wiggles and moves around. Let's go for another one. We don't have any leaks. Nothing is leaking. See? The hose was the problem. So this is fixed. If this bolt wouldn't have snapped off, this would be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well, the coffee machine is fixed. Now I can slap all this on. And for you guys, you know how it is. You put the screws back where they were, put the screws back on, put the lid back, this back on, and it's all set. I'll get back to you once everything is screwed back together. And that's it for this video. I will try to find a new screw for that thing. A new screw. And it just blew. Okay, it's failed. It's failed. That's it. It's failed. It's a failure. Without that screw, this machine is not usable. That's all. Hope this video helps. But this video was a whole mess. I didn't expect for this video to turn out like this. Well, it is what it is. It's a mess. Hope the next video will be more planned.